Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to install the Poyaki plugin. First, we need a Eclipse installation. Any recent release will be okay. Then we are going to go to the Poyaki.com website and check the Getting Started section so we can look at the URLs that we will use. There you have the URL for the installation for the plugin and also the URL for the compressed project that we are going to use. So we go and copy the URL for the plugin and then go to the IDE, and then we will click on the Install New Software menu. We paste the URL that we got from the web page, which is poyaki.com update site, and give it a name, in this case Poyaki plugin. Then we select the plugin from the list that is offered to us and click next for installation, and it will start installing it. We accept the license and click next, and the installation proceeds. At this point, we get a question asking about unsigned software, and we just say, okay, continue, install anyway. And it completes and asks for a restart. We restart the IDE. We dismiss the welcome screen, and we check that indeed we have the plugin installed because we can see the plugin menus and buttons. And the next thing we are going to do is to install the sample project. We go to the website and we click on the URL for the sample project. It will download the compressed file into our computer. We uncompress it anywhere, and then we are going to ask Eclipse to import it as a Maven project. So we click on Import Project and select the Maven project type for importing, and find the project that we just downloaded and decompressed into our disk, and click Open. Now the project is imported, and Eclipse will spend some time building the project and downloading the dependencies and the sources so we can debug. And at some point we can start exploring the files inside this project. It is a regular Maven project with a regular Maven tree structure for the directories, and we only need to care about the metadata files, of which we have a couple of them, defining the book entity and the author entity, a configuration file, and then we have two Java files. One of them is defining the data source so we can connect to the database, and the other one is the main class, a very simple command line small program. Now we are going to use the reset database dialog to create a default test database using the default connection settings that can be accessed through this button. And next we will run the Java program from the debug menu, and we can check the output, and we can check that it has inserted a record on the database and it's outputting the results of querying it. So the plugin is successfully installed and the project is compiled and running.